Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to look at how you can log into your LinkedIn account. If you already have signed up for LinkedIn and you don't know how you can log into your account, then watch this video to know how you can do so. But before that, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming uploads. So the first thing you need to do is open up a browser, then in the search bar type in linkedin.com. You can either sign in to your account using the website or the application on your mobile device. Either way, it is the same process. Now after you landed on the official website of LinkedIn, from here you can type in your email address or you can type in your phone number. Now type in the password that you created. If you want to reveal your password, then you can click on the show option. But if you don't remember the password that you created, you can click on this forgot password and reset your password. From there, you will be able to create a new password. You can also sign into your account using Google if you created your LinkedIn account using the Google account. After that, click on sign in. And just like that, you have been logged in to your LinkedIn account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.